Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid moisturizer. This powerful ingredient is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into your skin. It's like a big drink of water for your face, helping to keep it supple and smooth. Using it correctly can significantly boost your skin's hydration levels, giving you a healthy, radiant glow. Let's dive into the simple steps to incorporate this into your routine. First, always start with a clean face. Gently wash away any impurities or makeup. Next, and this is key, apply your hyaluronic acid moisturizer to slightly damp skin. This allows the product to grab onto that surface moisture and pull it deeper into your skin. Finally, lock in all that goodness with a richer, occlusive moisturizer to prevent the hyaluronic acid from evaporating and taking your skin's moisture with it. For best results, incorporate hyaluronic acid into both your morning and evening skincare routines. Consistency is crucial for maintaining hydrated and healthy skin. Remember, a little goes a long way. A pea-sized amount is usually sufficient for your entire face. If you live in a very dry climate, ensure you always follow with a good occlusive moisturizer to prevent moisture loss. The benefits of consistent hyaluronic acid use are truly remarkable. You'll notice your skin feeling much softer, looking plumper, and having a more youthful bounce. It's excellent for reducing the appearance of fine lines and creating a smoother canvas for makeup. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Investing in your skin's hydration is always a smart choice for long-term health and radiance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.